Welcome to this inspiring update. This is Ralf Jacobs from Inspire Property Experts. You might know our newsletters with market updates, tips for buyers, webinars we host for buyers. This is different. Inspire does two things. We are buyer agents, but second pillar of our day-to-day work is we also buy properties which we renovate and offer them to our international buyers. This is a good example. When we invest in properties, we do a few things. A, we need to believe in this property. It needs to be a good location, a property that can maintain or increase its value over time, good connectivity with public transport, pleasant areas, lifestyle areas, areas that international people like to live in. They need to have good rental potential, these properties. So a lot of criteria we look at, but then also from a technical point of view, we optimize these spaces a lot. We stripped everything. Everything is new in this apartment, from flooring to electricity, water pipes, everything, kitchen, bathroom. That gives us a lot of guarantees because it's good quality. We know what quality we work with. The layout has been optimized to make it attractive to what people want today. Maybe you as a lifestyle apartment, or when you want to rent it out, what international tenants want. Take a look if you're interested. Happy to set up another conversation with somebody from our team to give you more information about the property. There's a lot of information down here already. This is the Poble Sec area, very pleasant, vibrant part of the city, where all the tapas bars are, the pinchos, as they say in Spanish. Calle Blay is their most famous tapas street. Let us know. But here, beside the fact that we've done the renovation, we know how the quality is because we've done it ourselves. Second point is we have all the documentation. Everything is in order. All documents are there. It's legally okay. 3, we're up to date with all payments, so there's no hidden costs behind this property, of course, things that often sellers don't have to tell you or don't tell you. And 4, the building has been recently, in the last year, be very well maintained. The front facade, the rear facade have been done, the stair hall has been painted, the drains have been updated, etc. So it's very interesting as well for you as the buyer. Last point, there's no agency involved here. We sell this directly, it's our property. We want happy customers, but it means that there's also no agency fee coming on top of it, and that's why the price is so competitive. So take a look and be in touch. Have a good day. Bye-bye.